Hi, this is the Natural English. Watch, listen, and learn. Let's go. So, this is us. This is me, Victoria, and this is my dog, Roxy. And today is Monday, the start of the week. So, yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday, and tomorrow is Tuesday. And yesterday, on Sunday, my fridge was empty. So I was sad because my fridge is empty, because I was hungry. I couldn't eat. So Roxy and I went to grocery store and we bought some food, and now my fridge is full. I have a lot of food. So today I can cook. I can cook in the morning. I can cook in the afternoon. I can cook in the evening. And do you think I love cooking? No, I hate cooking. Terrible. I hate it. But do you think Roxy loves when I cook? Yes, Roxy loves when I cook because I make delicious food and she can smell it and she can ask for it and she can eat it. Anyway, in the morning, I have breakfast. I have coffee in the morning. I always have coffee in the morning. Always. Every day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I have coffee every single day. So in the morning, I have porridge. I sometimes have porridge in the morning. In the morning, I have eggs and toast. I sometimes have eggs and toast in the morning. In the afternoon, I have lunch. For lunch, I have spaghetti. I usually have spaghetti in the afternoon. Usually, almost always, almost every day. In the evening, I have dinner. For dinner, I have rice, chicken, and veggies, broccoli, carrot, or something else. I usually have rice and chicken and veggies in the evening. Usually, almost every day. But sometimes in the evening, I do not cook because I am tired, very tired. So when I'm tired in the evening, I order pizza. I sometimes order pizza in the evening when I feel tired. So I have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Thank you for coming. See you next time. Bye bye.